In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends. The application was unable to start correctly. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to just quickly check that the League servers are up and running. So Google League of Legends server status and make sure that they are up. If they're up and you still have the issue, then what you should do is open up the Riot client, come up here and go to settings. In here choose League of Legends and repair your client. Once you've done that, you can close it down. Now I minimize it, but you should close it down. But what you should do is you should find League of Legends, right click, run as an administrator. See if it works now. If it still doesn't, open up properties and go to compatibility. Try and activate this one, apply an OK, and try and launch it in the Windows 8 mode. If it's still not working, come back here and uncheck this one, because we don't want to use that if it's not working. And then you want to make sure that these two are enabled. So try and see if it works like this. Also try and see if it works with all of these three on. Now if none of these work, you can just disable them again. And then what we want to do is we want to do a clean reinstall of League of Legends. So open up Task Manager, Details, sort by the name, press R, make sure you end the task on all Riot client stuff, press L and make sure you do the same for League of Legends. Once you've done that, you want to search for League of Legends, right click, open file location, and then do the exact same. Come to the Riot folder, go back to Riot Games, delete League of Legends, and then you want to search for apps and features, search for League of Legends, uninstall, and then you should go ahead and reinstall it from the Riot client. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully be fixed. You should also restart your PC after doing all of this, and that might also help fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.